Chemistry in our lives. Forensic scientists work in crime laboratories where they analyze body fluids and tissue samples collected by the crime scene investigators. There are many ways that chemistry applies to our lives, and this whole unit and this whole semester, I hope that we're able to show that to you in a few things. But let's get started with our Chapter 1, Section 1. We need to learn a little bit about what the word chemical is, so that you're not thinking that that's something to be scared of. So, for example, in the blood, hemoglobin transports oxygen to the tissues and carbon dioxide to the lungs. So, those technically are chemicals. What's chemistry? It's the study of composition, structure, properties, and reactions of matter that happen around you all the time, even when you're just taking some antacid tablets to neutralize, like all the enchiladas that you ate the night before. That's a big example of a chemical reaction going on. Chemistry is the study of substances in terms of, what is something made of, how is it put together, what are characteristics that it has, and how does it behave around other substances. Matter is another word for all the substances that make up our world. So antacids are matter, water is matter, the oxygen we breathe is matter, the carbon dioxide we exhale is matter. We are made of matter. Chemicals are substances that have the same composition and properties wherever found, and they're often substances made by chemists that you use every day. For example, toothpaste is a combination of many different chemicals. And so if you look at some of these chemicals that are in our toothpaste, they look scary, but no. Calcium carbonate, sorbitol, sodium lauryl sulfate, titanium dioxide, sodium fluorophosphate, methyl salicylate. So let's look at this. Which of the following contain chemicals? Sunlight, fruit, milk, breakfast cereal. You might think, oh, chemical must be something scary, so it can't be the fruit or the milk or the breakfast cereal. Wrong! So, sunlight, we have energy given off. Energy is not classified as a chemical. Fruit contains chemicals that have the same composition and properties wherever they're found. They have hormones, they have all sorts of things in them. They're good. Chemicals are not something that's bad. Milk contains chemicals, etc. Breakfast cereals contain chemicals that have the same composition and properties wherever found. Therefore, only B, C, and D contain the chemicals.